In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to posts on TikTok. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus icon at the bottom middle section of the screen. We click on the plus. Now we click on the bottom right at the gallery section where we can select a photo or a video. I'm going to select a video. And then after you have it selected, you click on next. Now you can see that it already added a sound. And I removed the sound to show you how you can add it, because now it already says it. When you click on add sound, now you can go to the library where you have a lot of sounds which you can select for your video. So let's click on add sound at the top of the screen, the middle part. In here we see a lot of sounds and right now it automatically goes to recommended sounds. And in here you can also see the amount of posts that are made with this sound. And this way you can really track which sounds are performing well, which sounds are a trend at the moment. And that is how you can use viral sounds on your posts to make them go viral faster or more easy. And what you also can do is you can go to other posts of people, and there you can favorite sounds. And when you favorite sounds, you will see them over here in your library at the favorite section. And as you can see, I have a lot of them already favorited. So I will see them in here. And you also have your recent tab by recent videos you've checked out on TikTok in your For You page, for example. And they will pop up in here. So this is how you add sounds to TikTok, to your posts, and also how you add music. Because when you want to add music, you can basically click on this search icon and you can discover sounds in here. Let's say this little sound, 7 a.m. This one is pretty popular. And here you can really see the official sounds, the official music by this icon you see before. You see the artists. And that is a way how you can select sounds. And you can also select commercial sounds. And these are basically the commercial sounds from like the real producers, the real artists of those songs. You can also add them to your videos. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.